In this video, we are going to cover a case of the maximum path sum problem, where the nodes of the maximum path, in this case 30 and 20, neither of them are a leaf. Here are all the leaves. And so being able to find the maximum path of a subtree that is neither one node nor a leaf will be accounted for in the algorithm we are presenting in code. So let's go through and see how this problem is solved recursively. We can label all of the null pointers from the leaf nodes with a sum of 0. So we're first going to go left, and we see that the value is -8. Next, we are going to go here, and we're going to see that the value is -9. We're now going to next go here to -15. Once we go there, we are now going to come here to value 7. When we come back up, now we have our potential cases. We have the case where it's -20 and -15, which is -35. We have the case where it's -20 plus 7, which is -13. We have the case where we have the entire sum, which is -35 plus 7, which is -28. And we have the subtrees here, which are -15, 7, and -20. So we have to return two possible solutions. Here, the first one is -20 plus 7, which is -13. And then 7 is the current subtree here. So if the subtree was just these, we would have the correct solution. So now let's move up one level, and we are going to get the solutions for this entire subtree here. What we're going to see is that we could potentially have -9 plus 20, which is 11. We could potentially have 20 minus 13, which is 7. And then we would have the potential 7 here. Then we have -9, 7, and 20. So in this case, 20 happens to be the largest subtree. So if this was the solution, we would know that the largest subtree is just this root. So now we can make this comparison here. We have -8 and 20. By keeping these numbers separate, we know that there's a valid path that is a value of 7 if we would have to hit a root node, which in this case is 20 minus 20 plus 7. However, because we have this second value, we can account for the scenario where it's just these two. So the first scenario is we have the subtree here, 30 minus 8, which is 22. We have 30 and 20, which is going to give us 50. And then we could account for -8 plus 30 plus 20. So that would be 42. So therefore, our full solution is 50.